Have you ever thought about living for free while building equity? Welcome to the intriguing concept of house hacking. Imagine this: you're living in your own property, but instead of shouldering the entire cost of your mortgage or rent, you've got someone else helping you out. House hacking is all about turning your living situation into a smart investment. This creative strategy involves living in one part of your property, be it a duplex, a multifamily home, or even a single-family home with extra rooms, and renting out the rest. It's an ingenious way to offset your living expenses, or in some cases, completely eliminate them. As you collect rent, you're also building equity in your property. Think of it as a stepping stone towards financial freedom and wealth creation, all while you're just living your life. At its core, house hacking involves purchasing a property with multiple units or extra space, living in one part, and renting out the rest. Whether it's a multifamily home, a duplex, or a single-family residence with rentable rooms or space, the concept remains the same. Make your real estate work for you. This strategy offers a dual benefit: drastically reducing or even eliminating your living expenses and building equity in a property simultaneously. And if you think this sounds too good to be true, let's delve into a real-life example. Meet John, a successful house hacker who transformed his financial life. John was an ordinary guy with an extraordinary vision. He bought a duplex, opting to live in one unit while renting out the other. With this simple yet strategic move, he turned his living situation into a profitable venture. Each month, John's tenants' rent covered his mortgage and even left him with a profit, a win-win situation, you might say. He lived comfortably and simultaneously built equity in his property. This wasn't a path to quick riches, but a steady, reliable stream of income that gave John financial stability and freedom. John's journey wasn't always smooth sailing. There were challenges and learning curves, but his resilience and resourcefulness saw him through. The benefits of house hacking became evident as he watched his financial life transform. John's story is just one example of how house hacking can change your financial future. So, what can we glean from this smart approach to homeownership and wealth creation? House hacking, as we've seen, provides a unique opportunity to reduce or even eliminate your living expenses. By renting out parts of your property, you're not only covering your costs but also creating a passive income stream. This strategy is not just about saving money, it's about making money too. In addition to this, house hacking allows you to build equity in your property. As you pay down your mortgage, your stake in the property increases, creating a solid investment for the future. However, it's not without its challenges. Finding the right property is crucial, and dealing with tenants requires a certain level of commitment and patience. But with the right mindset and approach, these hurdles can be navigated successfully. If you're ready to start your house hacking journey, don't wait. The path to financial freedom could be right under your roof.